everyone, welcome to S2S classes. In this video, we will learn everything about the S2S classes app, its benefits and how to use the app in a proper way. So firstly, you need to open the Play Store or the App Store, whatever is available in your phone. So once you open that, you need to search for the S2S classes app. Once you do that, the first one, that is S2S classes, you need to click on it and make sure that you don't get confused between any two of the apps. You need to download this particular app only. Now once you have opened it, you need to download the app. As you see, I have already downloaded it. Once the download is complete, you need to click on open. Now once you click on open, a screen like this will appear on your phone. It says Padho Ghar Se. Now you need to swipe. Once you swipe, you will see quality content, friendly user interface, and finally a screen like this. After this, you need to click on get started. Now as you click on get started, you'll get a screen like this. It has two options, either to log in or to sign up. If you are an already existing member of S2S family, you need to log in. Otherwise, you need to sign up. So I'm teaching you how to make a new account and join us. So you need to click on sign up first. Now as you click on sign up, a screen like this will appear on your phone and you need to fill in the following details. So I'll be filling the details over here right now. The name can be, you need to write your own name obviously. I'm writing ABC. Your email ID, I'm writing abc@gmail.com for an example here. Then you need to write your school name. I'm writing S2S over here, but you need to be very careful when you're writing your school name, as many of you commit mistakes in the same. You need to write the whole school name so that it is very clear to the admin that from which school you belong to. Suppose you are from KV Vantalab, then you need to write the whole school name, or else you are from KV Vasant Kunj or KV Ayanagar, you need to write the school name correctly. Then you need to fill in your phone number. It has an option for country code as well. If you are signing it from India, obviously the country code will be +91, but if you are from some other country, you need to select the country code first. Then you need to write your phone number. Make sure that you write the phone number correctly because an OTP will be received on the same afterwards. Then you need to create a password. The password should have at least 6 characters and it can be a combination of both numbers as well as letters. So I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as my password right now. And then if you have a referral code provided to you by your school, then obviously you can use it. Otherwise, you simply click on submit. Now once you click on submit, you'll receive an OTP on the phone number you have written, and then you need to write the OTP sent to you so that you can get inside the app. I'll be writing the OTP which I received. And if you don't get the OTP, you can click on the WhatsApp icon above and connect to us to get your OTP. Don't get panic if it takes some time. So I have received my OTP and it is 286738, and then you need to click on submit. It may take a while after you click on. Once you submit the OTP, you will get a screen to select your class. I have selected class 9th as my own class. After selecting the class, you will get a screen like this. On the top, you will having the subjects you want to study, that is maths, science, social science, English, Hindi, Sanskrit. Suppose I click on science right now. So once you click on science, you'll be getting all the chapters you are having in it. If I click on the first chapter, that is matters in our surroundings. Now once you click on the chapter, it will be having different modules, that is different topics inside the chapter. The first topic is physical nature of matter. So you need to click on that book first. Once you click on the module, below you will get the video for it. Once you click on this, the video will open for it and you can play the video. So as you had a look at the video, different videos will be there and inside the different topics, and in the end you'll be having the study notes in a PDF format for it. Here the PDF is opening right now, and then you'll be able to have a look at the study notes for the chapter 1. It may take a time to load the PDF. You don't need to panic, just wait for it to open. Have a look at the study notes for the chapter. These are very beautifully designed and very clearly explained points of the chapter in a single format of notes. Once you read the notes, you'll be able to have a look at the whole chapter. Now, apart from the study notes, we have essential points as well as the concept maps and the exercises, which are objective exercises for the chapter, and all these are completely free of cost and are available for each and every chapter. So in the similar way, all the chapters are present here, and every chapter contains the video lectures, the exercises, the essential points, study notes, as well as the concept maps. And then when you click on details, you'll be having the details of the program of class 9th, that what all it contains. And if you click on buy now, it will tell you all the original amount as well as everything the price has. Okay, now once I go back, similarly you'll have different subjects, and all those have a similar pattern of the videos as well as the notes. Once you scroll down, suppose if you have studied a single chapter half and you close the app, the next time you open it, it will be written resume where you left. So you can click here and resume from the last point you left at. Then here are daily updates of the live classes and everything about the app. Then we have some of our recommended videos, and then which show the beautiful content of S2S classes. Then you have an option to share the app with your friends. With this, you'll earn the points, and from this points you can also unlock up paid contents. Then you can rate the S2S classes app if you enjoy this app on the Play Store. So this was the first screen. If you click on test, so once you click on test, here it is written coming soon because we have no test for this particular month. Otherwise, it will be written the live tests as well. It will be having the live tests as well as the regular tests. Live tests sometimes have issue because they need to be completed in a specific time given over there. So, if the students have completed their test and are not able to submit it, they can contact us. They don't need to panic because it can be submitted. We'll provide each and every assistance required. And about the regular tests, they can be taken by the students anytime and they don't have a specific time limit. Then, if you click on feeds, you will have different news about the S2S family, the blog, the news, as well as the videos. If you click on batches, it will have the schedule of the live class. You can see the live class of science and maths and everything. The schedule for the live classes, the batches will be provided here. And if you click on offers, if there are some great offers going on for the test category or for the program, you'll be able to see it here. Now once I go back to the home page, if you want to edit anything about your app or want to check your performance, you can click over here. Now if you click here, you can see various things: share this app, about us, if you want to contact us, and the notifications. If you want to edit your personal settings, you need to click on this pencil over here. Once you click on this, you'll get a screen like this. You'll be able to have an overview of the overall progress you are having. And for the further editing, you need to click on the pencil again, and then you can change whatever you want to. So I'm going back to the home screen again. I hope it is clear to you now that how can you open the video lectures, the notes, how can you take the tests, how can you know about the live classes. Our app is a one-stop solution for all the things a school needs. If you want to conduct a live test, you can go through our app and conduct it. Even the high quality video lectures and their divisions, which are done topic wise, are really grateful for the children. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact us.